Namaste friends, this is Ramesh Pitla LLB. I am creating an awareness about women's safety and children's safety. So I have made so many videos how to take precautions about children's safety and how we can report an issue within the respective police station. So today I am going to tell how many crimes happened against children in the year of 2020. So recently NCRB, National Crime Records Bureau, released the data of 2020. So let us see the numbers, how many crimes happened against children in 2020, and we can compare 2019 and 2020 now. So crimes against children, a total of 1,28,531 cases of crimes against children were registered during 2020, showing a decrease of 13.2% over 2019. So 1,48,090 cases registered during 2019, but whereas in 2020 it got decreased. It is decreased 13.2%. So it is a good sign that the crimes against children has been decreased. So in percentage terms, major crime heads under crimes against children during 2020 were kidnapping and abduction 42.6%, and Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 38.8%, including child rape. So including child rape 38.8%. So my dear friends, if you look at these numbers compared to 2019, in 2020 the crime rate has been decreased on children. It's a very good sign that the crime rate has been getting decreased. At the same time, 1 lakh plus crimes means it's not easy. It's not a joke. Still, the crime rate has to go. It is maximum. We need to decrease the crime rate against children. So for that, what we are supposed to do? First thing, we need to create an awareness about child safety. So before that, I request you all to subscribe to this channel, because when we create an awareness about crimes and punishments, then there is a scope of decreasing the crime rate, because some people will get scared about the punishments and they are not going to commit the offenses when they are realized about punishments. So please do subscribe to this channel. And how to take precautions to stop the children related crimes. See, first thing, parents should keep always an eye on children, where they are going, with whom they are talking. So with the friends where they are roaming here and there, you should be like a detective on their activities. Forget about privacy, kids' privacy, children privacy, because their life is important to the parents. And also keep on checking sometimes their WhatsApp status. And apart from regular studies, are they doing any abnormal activities? Are they feeling alone? With whom they are talking? Or with the money, whatever you give as a pocket money, for which they are spending money? And moreover, most of the crimes related to children happened because of the known persons or relatives or neighborhood only. So don't trust anyone easily or blindly, and don't leave your children within their families, because most of the child rapes are happening because of the known persons, because of relatives, because of the neighborhood. So take more precautions about children's safety. Don't leave them alone with unknown persons or the people who does not have good ethics or values. And if you want to create an awareness about children's safety, and if you want any sessions about children's safety, you can post your address, contact numbers in this video in comments. I will call you back and I will take the sessions about children's safety. And I'm as a lawyer, I'm always there to support women and children, to give valuable suggestions and to take good sessions regarding their safety. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you so much.